Hey everyone, the Beelink SEi13 is part of a new wave of compact PCs designed to deliver serious performance in a small, minimalist package. At first glance, the SEi13 closely resembles its more robust sibling, the GTi13 Ultra, with both machines borrowing heavily from the sleek, industrial design language popularized by devices like the Mac Mini. However, a closer look reveals that the SEi13 is built with different priorities in mind, namely portability, serviceability, and value. One of the most notable distinctions between the SEi13 and the GTi13 Ultra is the power supply setup. The SEi13 opts for an external 100-watt power brick, unlike the GTi13 Ultra, which integrates the PSU inside the chassis. This design choice makes the SEi13 lighter and more compact, which can be an advantage for users who want a powerful PC that's easy to relocate or mount. At the same time, this external PSU also makes the SEi13 easier to service, especially for users who plan to open the case for upgrades or maintenance. While the SEi13 keeps many of the high-end internals from its more expensive counterpart, it does sacrifice a few expandability features. For example, the RAM is not user upgradable, limiting flexibility for future-proofing. It also includes fewer USB-A ports and omits an SD card reader, which may be a drawback for users who rely on legacy peripherals or need quick access to portable storage formats. Despite these omissions, Beelink ensures that key internal features remain intact. The SEi13 still houses dual M.2 SSD slots, a vapor chamber cooling system for efficient thermal management, and even a set of integrated stereo speakers, rare in mini PCs of this size. Perhaps the most impressive element of the SE13 is its processor, the Intel Core i9-1390HK. This is the exact same chip found in the GTi13 Ultra, giving the SEi13 an almost identical performance profile when it comes to raw CPU tasks. For users who don't need every port or feature under the sun, this is a major win. It means you can enjoy top-tier performance in tasks like content creation, light gaming, or heavy multitasking without paying for hardware you may not use. Thermals are well handled by the internal cooling solution, and the SSD heat spreader further ensures that sustained performance doesn't come at the cost of overheating. The machine remains relatively quiet under load, and performance throttling is minimal thanks to the efficient vapor chamber setup. Overall, the Beelink SEi13 is a compelling option for anyone looking for a compact powerhouse without the bulk or the price tag of its higher-end sibling. It strikes a smart balance between form and function, offering enough performance for demanding tasks while keeping things light, portable, and accessible for a wide range of users. Whether you're setting up a space-saving workstation, looking for a quiet office PC, or simply want a strong performer with a small footprint, the SEi13 delivers impressive value where it counts most. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day, and God bless you.